Samatin po ang biyaya, awa, habag, pagkapala, katotohanan, kapayapaan, pag-ibig mula kay Abay Hawa. Sa magandang araw po sa bawat isa. Ang ating pong paksa sa sandaling ito ay hinggil po doon sa kilala ba ni Abraham o alam ba ni Abraham, ni Isaac at ni Jacob ang pangalan ng Diyos na si Abay Hawa. Kasi marami ho ang hindi naniniwala na may pangalan yung Diyos ni Abraham, Isaac at Jacob. Ang paniniwala nila ay Diyos, yung Lord, yung Ama, at wala siyang pangalan. Ibig sabihin, nakatago doon sa God, Lord, Panginoon, Diyos. Dito sa Exodus 3:13, ang nakalagay dyan, and Moses said to Elohim, see, when I come to the children of Israel, and say to them, the Elohim of your fathers hath sent me to you. And they served Elohim on this mountain. 13. And Moses said to Elohim, see, when I come to the children of Israel, and say to them, the Elohim of your fathers hath sent me to you. And they say to me, what is his name? Ito, may pangalan. No? What is his name? What shall I say to them? 14. And Elohim said to Moses, I am that which I am. And he said, thus you shall say to the children of Israel, I am sent me to you. Ayan. 15. And Elohim said further to Moses, thus you are to say to the children of Israel, Yahweh, Elohim of your fathers, the Elohim of Abraham, the Elohim of Yitzhak, and the Elohim of Jacob, has sent me to you. This is my name forever, and this is my remembrance to all generation. Ibig sabihin, yung Diyos daw ho ni Abraham at Diyos ni Isaac, Diyos ni Jacob, ang pangalan ay Yahweh. Sabi nga ho dito, Yahweh, Elohim of your fathers, the Elohim of Abraham. Ang ginawa ho nung iba ay Ahaya, yung I am, that which I am. Sa Hebrew kasi yan, Ahaya, Asar, Ahaya. The word Ahaya being derived from Haya. Ayun. Kaya ang marami ho, ang iniisip nila, ang pangalan noong Diyos is Ahaya. Hindi ho. Ang nakalagay ho dito, sabi niya, this is my name forever, and this is my remembrance to all generation. Alin ho yun? Yahweh, Elohim of your fathers, the Elohim of Abraham. Ayan. So maliwanag ho. Kasi, hindi ho naiisip o naiintindihan ng marami na talaga palang may pangalan yung Diyos. At kung hindi ho natin alam ang pangalan niyan, ay mukhang may problema ho dahil si Abraham, si Isaac, at saka si Jacob na tinawag na Israel, ay alam kung sino ang pangalan nila. Niya. Doon sa 4:1 ng Exodus, sabi ho dito, and Moses answered, if they do not believe me, nor listen to my voice, and say, Yahweh has not appeared to you. Sabi niya, pagdating to sa 4:26, Genesis 4:26, and to Shet, to him also a son was born, and they called his name Enos. Then it was begun to call on the name of Yahweh. Footnote, the first record of calling in the name of Yahweh. So, doon pala makikita natin na may pangalan talaga. Yung Diyos ni Abraham, yung Diyos ni Isaac, at yung Diyos ni Jacob. Ngayon, sabi nung marami, hindi raw alam ni Abraham kung anong pangalan. Tingnan nga ho natin. Dito sa Genesis 12:7, si Abraham ho ito Si Abraham. And Yahweh appeared to Abram and said, to your seed I give this land, and he built there a slaughter place to Yahweh, what appeared to him. So, ibig sabihin, kilala ni Abram si Abay Yahweh. Ano? At doon sa Genesis 15:2, ang nakalagay ho dyan, and Abram said, Master Yahweh, what would you give me, seeing I got childless, and the heir of my house is Eliezer of Damascus? Sa 7, and he said to him, I am Yahweh, who brought you out of Ur Kasdim to give you this land to inherit. Ibig sabihin, si Abraham, kilala niya si Abay Yahweh. Ngayon, kung sasabihin ng marami na sila ho ay lahi ni Abraham, dapat kilala mo na si Abay Yahweh ang Diyos ni Abraham. Eh, paano naman si Isaac, na anak ni Abraham? Sabi doon sa Genesis 26:17, sabi niya, so Isaac went from there and pitched his tent in the Wadi Gerar and dwelt there. Ano ito Genesis 26:17, 24. And Yahweh appeared to him the same night and said, I am the Elohim of your father Abraham. Diba tatay niya si Abraham? Do not fear, for I am with you, and shall bless you and increase your seed for my servant Abraham's sake. 25. And he built a slaughter place there, and called on the name of Yahweh, and he pitched his tent there. And the servant of Yitzhak dug well there. Si si Isaac. Eh, paano naman si Jacob? Sa Genesis 28, and Jacob went out from Beersheba and went toward Haran. Si Jacob ito he dreamed and saw a ladder set up on the earth, and its top reached to the heavens, and saw messengers of Elohim going up and coming down on it. 13. And see, Yahweh stood above it and said, I am Yahweh, Elohim of Abraham, your father, and the Elohim of Yitzhak. The land on which you are lying, I give it to you and your seed. At doon sa 16, and Jacob awoke from his sleep and said, truly, Yahweh is in this place. I did not know it. So maliwanag dito sa ating tinalakay, kilala ni Abraham, kilala ni Isaac at ni Jacob yung pangalan ni Abay Yahweh. Ngayon, marami magtatanong sa atin, siya ba ay binhi ni Abraham? O halimbawa, mga sinasabi nila, binhi sila ni Abraham. Dapat, pagka binhi ka ni Abraham at isa kang Israelita, gawa noong kay Jacob, dapat, kung paano ang pagkakilala ni Jacob, na ang Diyos niya, na ang pangalan ay si Yahweh, dapat ganun din ang pagkakilala mo. Mali kasing isipin na Israelita ka at pagkatapos hindi mo kilala ang pangalan ni Abay Yahweh. Samantalang si Jacob, si Abraham, si Isaac at saka si Jacob kilala. Ang pangalan niya, pangalang Yahweh. So yung ating paksa ay sino ang Diyos ni Abraham, Isaac, Jacob? Ano ang kanyang pangalan? Muli, maraming salamat. Isang magandang araw po sa bawat